Cash App offers a few methods for attempting to get a refund, but it's important to understand that success isn't guaranteed with any of these approaches. The first method is immediate cancellation. You can try to cancel a payment right after sending it, but this only works if the payment is still pending. To attempt cancellation, go to the Activity tab in your Cash App. This shows your recent transactions. Select the payment you want to cancel and look for a Cancel option. If the payment is no longer pending, this option won't be available. The second method is requesting a refund from the recipient. Whether they agree to refund you is entirely up to them. To request a refund, navigate to the transaction in your Activity tab, tap the transaction, and select Request Refund if available. You can also contact the recipient directly through other means to request your money back. Remember, they have no obligation to return your payment. When you request a refund, the recipient will receive a notification similar to this. They can choose to accept or ignore your request. These are the two main methods for attempting Cash App refunds. Remember that immediate cancellation only works for pending payments, and refund requests depend entirely on the recipient's cooperation. When cancellation and refund requests fail, Cash App provides a dispute process for unauthorized transactions and merchant issues. The success of your dispute depends heavily on the type of transaction and evidence provided. To file a dispute, navigate to Cash App Settings, then select Support or Help. Choose something else, followed by Dispute a Transaction. You'll need to select the specific problematic transaction and provide detailed evidence. Success rates vary significantly by transaction type. Peer-to-peer transactions have only a 30 to 40% success rate, while merchant disputes succeed 60 to 70% of the time. Resolution typically takes 5 to 10 business days. Prevention is far more effective than dispute resolution. Always verify recipient identity through multiple channels before sending money. Double-check payment amounts and recipient information carefully, and be extremely cautious of requests from unknown contacts. The threat is real and growing. Payment app fraud increased by 70% between 2023 and 2024. Scammers are becoming more sophisticated, making verification and caution more critical than ever. The fundamental principle to remember is this: treat Cash App like cash. Once money is sent, consider it gone. This mindset encourages the careful verification and double-checking that prevents most payment problems before they occur.